Hello everyone. Again, I Anjum Bharti Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. As you all know, in our previous class, we have read our poem, which is about a granny, and the title of the poem is Olympic Granny. Okay. Today we'll do question answers along with dictation words and word meaning. So, without further delay, let's get started. First dictation word is Olympic. So Olympic. Olympic means games. Lots of games which held once every 4 years. Okay. Second is competitor. Competitors. Competitors. Competitors means people who take part in sports. Okay. People who take part in sports. Athletics. 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 Kinds of sports in which people compete, including running, jumping, and so many like that. Okay. Blessed. Blessed. It's a kind of title which brings pleasure and happiness. Okay. Trouble. Trouble. Trouble means problem. Next is archery. Archery. Archery, it's a kind of shooting with arrow, especially at the target in sports. Okay. Next is taekwondo. Taekwondo. Taekwondo, it's a kind of martial art similar to karate. Wrestling. Wrestling. Wrestling, kind of fighting. Okay. Next is astonishing. Astonishing. Astonishing means surprising. And last one is incredible. Incredible. Incredible means impossible to believe. So we have completed our dictation words. Next, let's do word meanings. Very first word meaning is quake. Quake means shake, or we can say shake with fear. Okay. Is a person who is very good at doing something. The meaning of ace is a person who is very good at doing something. Next is canoe, a form of boating where you use a canoe to move along the water using paddles. Next is trampoline, a piece of equipment used for doing jump in the air. Okay, a piece of equipment that is called trampoline used for doing jumps in the air. Flake. Flake means satisfy a wish. BMX. It's a kind of a strong bicycle which can be used for riding on rough ground. Last one is peerless. Peerless means matchless. Next is question and answer. So, in this year, which game did Grandma participate in? As you all read about it, the Grandma participated in Olympic Games. Okay, in this year, the Grandma participated in Olympic Games. Question number 2 is, how will Grandma make her competitors feel at the Olympic game? Yeah, obviously they were scared because there is Grandma who can beat anyone. Okay. What is Grandma's age? What trouble does she face? Grandma's age is 99. She can't decide which sport she plays the best. The trouble was there that she can't decide which sports she plays the best. Question number 4 is, list all the sports that Grandma is good at. Now we have to share here the all kind of sports which Grandma is good in that. So the games are archery, canoe, taekwondo, table tennis, diving, trampoline, lifting weight, wrestling, swimming, cycling, boxing, etc. Okay, there are so many games in which Grandma is good. Okay. Question number 5 is, what according to the speaker is shocking? Now, speaker, who is speaker here? Who, the one who is writing the poem. Okay. According to the speaker, it is shocking that Granny wins all. यानी जितने भी गेम्स खेलती है ग्रैनी सारे कॉन्टेस्ट जीत जाती है with her wheelchair and her walker. So main thing is there that she win all the things with her wheelchair and her walker. So this is very shocking for the speaker. Next question is reference to the context. In very first line, the trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. So here the speaker is talking about the trouble in which the granny is confused that which game she plays the best. So who is she in these lines? Now you can easily recognize here she is granny. Okay, grandma. What is the trouble? Now, what is the trouble here? As we already read in question answers, the trouble is that Granny can't decide which sport she plays the best. Question number 3 is, was she good at sports? Why or why not? If she, so tell the reason, or if not, so we can't give the reason. Yes, she was very good at plenty of sports. ओके कि हमें इतना बताना है कि हाँ वो बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स में ही अच्छी है यानी हर तरीके के स्पोर्ट्स वो खेलना जानती है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walkers. As we read in our poem, that speaker is describing here that it is very surprising thing that grandma will win all the sports with her wheelchair and her walker. So, who is the speaker referring to in this line? यानी speaker किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है इसमें? Obvious granny के बारे में बात कर रहा है. Question number 2 is how does she win all contests? वो कैसे जीतती है all contests? As in the line there's mention over here wheelchair and her walker. So answer will be the same. She wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. Number 3 is what does wheelchair and walker signify? So wheelchair and walker signify granny's physical weakness. ओके एज यू ऑल नो हम नॉर्मल जो होते हैं वो व्हीलचेयर और वॉकर नहीं यूज करते जो वीक हो जाता है जो चल नहीं सकता है तो उसके लिए यूज होता है तो यहाँ पर क्या शो हुआ है फिजिकल वीकनेसेस okay in spite of all these physical weaknesses grandma can beat anyone okay class so it is also motivating so here we have completed our question answers in our next video we will do book exercise till then do learn all these question answers and word meaning thank you